In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Tokopedia app not working. So if Tokopedia application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application itself. So for that, open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Tokopedia. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Tokopedia and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Tokopedia. After you do that, long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option, storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. If the problem still persists, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on this option, restart, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your device will be restarted. Now try using the Tokopedia application and it will work. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Tokopedia app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.